Yeah, look at the intensity of these mangroves. Absolutely amazing. This place is fabulous. It's got a diversity of wildlife. We haven't seen too many mammals. We've seen birds, we've seen reptiles, and marine life, part marine, part mammals. But there is galore, there are birds galore, different types of birds of different types. Let me take you back slowly to the mangroves drive here. We've been able to see a snake as well. And now look at it. Amazing. As we cruise through this mangrove bordered lake, it connects to the Pacific Ocean. This is an amazing phenomenon. The Osa Peninsula is amazing in more ways than one. Arif Herekar reporting. My stay at the Iguila, the Osa, has been awesome too. Look at this place. This is absolutely fabulous. We're waddling through, we are cruising through, as you can say, through these plantations, through the mangroves. There's greenery everywhere. Look at the plants. Absolutely amazing. Couldn't be better. What a scenario. Absolutely amazing. You can see the bamboo trees hanging down, and this is a great scene. Absolutely amazing. Amazing phenomenon. Perfect. Look at it. Snakes, birds, monkeys, a variety, a diversity of animal life, wildlife.